Hello student. In this video, you will learn about main memory and the types of the main memory. Okay. So see, basically main memories are categorized into two types. First one is your RAM and second one is your ROM. Okay. RAM, as name suggested, it's a random access memory. Means during the process, the memory will be given to the data, that is the RAM, that provided by the RAM. Okay. One main drawback is there of RAM, that is RAM is a volatile memory. What is the meaning of volatile memory? The meaning of volatile, it means as the power goes off, okay, the memory provided by RAM will be lost. Okay, means as your power will goes off, as your system will turn off, that after that your memory will be lost, which is provided by the RAM. This is the main drawback. Whereas ROM, as name suggested, that is read-only memory. It means here we can't write the data. Okay, whatever data is written over there, that you will read only. Okay, you can't write again and again over there in this memory. The main advantage of ROM is it is a non-volatile memory. It means if once data saved in ROM, then it will not get erased over there. Okay. Now see the parts of the RAM. There are two parts of the RAM. First one is DRAM, that is dynamic RAM. Okay. And the second one is static RAM. Okay. First one is dynamic RAM and second one is static RAM. Now, what is dynamic RAM? Basically, dynamic RAMs are made from transistors and capacitors. Transistors and capacitors. Okay. A dynamic RAM consists transistors as well as capacitors. Okay. Now, the amount of time taken by the data, okay, as data is accessed by dynamic RAM, okay, up to that time when the data is available in the dynamic RAM, we called memory access time. Okay, and the memory access time the new generation dynamic RAM have memory access time generally 20 to 70 nanoseconds. Okay. Whatever new generations dynamic RAMs are there in market, and the memory access time of that RAMs are range between 20 to 70 nanoseconds. Got it? Okay. Now talking about static RAM. Static RAMs are made from flip-flops. What are flip-flops? That is not in your course. Basically, flip-flops are the circuits. You have to know only that flip-flops are the circuits. Okay. So static RAMs are made from flip-flops, and it is much faster as comparison to dynamic RAM. Okay. So in the static RAMs are used in specific applications only. Okay. And in general applications, like in our computer systems, we are using dynamic RAM. We are not using static RAM. The static RAMs used in specific applications like weather forecasting. Like in that applications, we are using static RAMs. Okay, got it. So what dynamic RAM made from transistors and capacitors, and static RAMs are made from flip-flops. Got it. And the memory access time of dynamic RAM is 20 to 70 nanoseconds. Okay. One more thing, static RAMs are much faster than dynamic RAM. Talking about static RAM, then static RAMs used in specific applications. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now see the parts of the ROM. First, one is PROM, that is programmable read only memory. Okay, see what it is. It is also called OTP, one time programmable. Okay, it is one time user programmable ROM. Okay, the data is burned in PROM by using ROM burner. Now, the second one is EPROM, that is erasable programmable read only memory. Okay, here one can program this ROM by using UV, ultraviolet, uh, radiations, by using UV radiations. Okay, and one can erase many times as needed. Okay, and after that again by using UV radiation you can program it. Okay, now talking about the third one, that is EEPROM, electrical erasable programmable read only memory. Okay, one can program EPROM by electrically. If one can program EPROM by electrically, okay, then that ROM is EEPROM. Means if you are using electrically, if you are programming this ROM by using electrically UV radiation. Okay. Now, see the basic difference between EPROM and EEPROM. When we are going to erase data from the EPROM, then we can erase some bytes of data. But talking about in EEPROM, that is electrical erasable programmable read only memory, we can erase full data from this ROM. Now talking about flash memory is same as EEPROM, but one can program it very fast as comparison to EEPROM. Okay, and whatever data is there in flash ROM, it can erase fully. Here we have to select the data for erasing it, but here you can erase the data once. Okay. Now talking about mask ROM. First of all, one main point regarding mask ROM, it is not a user programmable ROM. This is others are user programmable ROM. Mask ROM is not a user programmable ROM. Okay, this ROM is programmed by IC manufacturers. This ROM is programmed by IC manufacturers. Means at the time of manufacturing, this ROM will be programmed by IC manufacturer. Okay. So these are the types of ROM, and what 5 types are there: PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, and flash ROM and mask ROM. Okay, what they are you had seen in this video. What dynamic RAM, what is static RAM, that is also you had seen in this video. Okay, so you have to study this topic from your book also. Okay, in next video we will discuss about cache memory as well as secondary storage unit. Okay.